What's going on, guys? Dallas here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a Minecraft animation maker that is free 2019 coming up. And so the animation maker I'm going to show you is Blender. It is a free animation software where you can make anything. And when I mean anything, I mean anything. If you want to add an audio track so you can edit videos, you can do it. You can make Minecraft animations, you can make... Actually, there's no limit to animations you can do on here. So pretty much, so if you want to know how to open up files, I have a link down below in the description to my banner making video. So as you can see here, this is the animation software. There's the sun. Here's a little something I've been working on. Hopefully coming out before next month. It's taking a long time just to try to get the coins made. But so pretty much this is what it is. It's pretty easy. I showed a little bit in the video on how to use the player rigs, how to bring in blocks and stuff like that. This animation software is free. If you look back on my channel about 2017, you would see that I made a couple animations that were actually pretty bad, and now I'm coming out with a new one. So we're gonna append in a file, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple things what you can do. So if you did go to Black Plasma Studios, and they did a video on how to install everything. So we're gonna go over here to blocks, Minecraft rigs. That's what it is, yeah. So we're gonna go to blocks, and we're just gonna type in, go to object, take off active layers, and we're just gonna type in pressure plate, and we'll grab a wooden pressure plate and pen from library. And you can see it's highlighted down there. Just left click where you want it and just click Shift S. Select to cursor. There we go. So now we got us a plate. And now it's put on top of this wool I got for something something, which is secretive until I release it. There we go. Let's run MC prep. There we go. And now let's go back to materials. And to shrink stuff and make stuff bigger, you press S and you can shrink stuff like that. Or you can press SZ so it'll scale up, wide, and down. Or you can do SX, that's on the X. And if you need to make something skinnier, you go S, C, no, P, Y. You gotta go SY to do it, to make it smaller or wider. So yeah, you just practice, just mess around with it. You'll learn the rope pretty fast. It took me a while, but I'm getting to the hang of it. So you just do whatever you want. Just right now, I'm just lining something up. So as you can see here, the block is my block is off the table. So we gotta move that down. There we go. Put that on it. We gotta make sure we scale it right. So it should be fully ready. There we go. So animation does take a while if you don't know what you're doing, but eventually you'll learn how to do it. For me, this animation right here is gonna this one's been taking me a little bit longer than my normal animations, because I have to create blocks that no one's created before. So as you can see here, then we got the block centered. We're gonna make it overlap just a little bit. And there we go. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Just a little bit. So right about there. And then we got that. I'm actually gonna shorten it, so it makes it a little more cleaner. There we go. And that is our free Minecraft animation maker. There are lots of tutorials on how to take pictures and stuff. There's a link down in the description on mine. Pretty easy. It's actually pretty fun doing it. It's something new. And if you guys are looking for a computer that can help render all this and do animation, link down below in the description to one of my other videos on the best Minecraft PC or laptop for Minecraft videos or animation. So hope you guys enjoy, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.